right, guys, welcome back. This is a highly requested video on how I make my products, entrepreneurship, and how I package. So right now I'm making my invigorating scalp serum, and I already put my ingredients in the pot, and now I'm just going to cut up some of the aloe vera, and I'm going to actually just let it sit. I let it boil for a while, and then I let it sit for a couple days. So that's what we're doing right now. After I let it sit, I'm just basically now gonna just fulfill each bottle. Well, kind of just fill each bottle. And luckily, y'all, thank God that when we bought our home, it came with a big garage. So I'm just really using my garage as my warehouse space, and my garage is like 1,200 square feet. So I'm just so thankful about that. Right now, I'm just straining everything out of it, because I don't want to actually leave the stuff that my ingredients in each bottle. Like, I like to strain it and make sure that it's free of all of that. Being at home, running a full-time, product line, like running it full-time, is very different. It's time consuming, it's stressful, because it's just really me and my husband doing everything. Like, it's just me and him. We're mixing product, we're filling orders, I'm customer service, I'm posting on Instagram, I'm posting on TikTok. Like, it's me and him. So, it is very different from what I'm used to. Being behind the chair for over 15 years, being a master stylist was absolutely everything. And I still do it for content reasons, but this is really, really different. So, me taking a leap of faith when I retired back in May was scary, and it still is. But, I know what I have to do for the hair community, and I'm doing it for myself, for everyone, as well as my children, so I can leave a legacy. Basically, what I'm doing right now is just filling up the serum bottles. I'm trying to make sure that I have enough for my restock, and we actually did have enough, so that's amazing. But I'm just trying to make sure that I have enough. So being that this is an all natural ingredient, it is going to be different in color. So if I were you, whenever you put this on your website, y'all, that you have a all natural ingredient, make sure that you let the customers know that it may not all be the same color every single time, okay? Because this is handmade, this is made from home, okay? So that's just like a little tip for y'all. Make sure that y'all over explain every single product that you make. And I'll also leave the link down below to where I purchased my machines as well. Next, for my restock, I had to fill up my jars of my moisture cream, which is one of my top sellers, y'all. So really what I did was I had a lot of pre-orders from last month. And so this is mainly most of those pre-orders that are going out. And it's really, really half of them. But this is one of my top sellers. So I know that when I restock that I'm going to have more than normal, like already stocked up and ready to go. And y'all can see that I have some white stuff on my hair. That's how hard I've been working. I had to actually switch machines because one of my machines stopped working, and it's just ridiculous. So I'm really just trying to calm down at this moment and make sure that I'm getting everything done in a timely manner, because when I say that, hey, I am restocked, I want to make sure that everyone's order is going to be getting out on time. Because if it's one thing that I have learned from pre-orders prior to this, is you do not want to deal with customers being upset at the shipping times, because even though you put the shipping times on the site, customers don't like to read sometimes. I'm sorry, they don't. Or even if they do read and they see it, they still don't understand that shipping days does not include the weekend. So you want to make sure that you give yourself some grace as well as your customer. Okay, so my husband is in here trying to set up where he works when he's down here in the warehouse. He's actually in here just getting his headphones and everything together so he can help me. Ain't that right?
That's right.
Okay. And then he's going to start putting product in here and making boxes. Now, This is kind of convenient. I ain't even gonna lie, but I don't really know how to use this shit. I don't really like it either, but it is convenient. So if you can invest in a in a tape gun, I'll leave the link down below also. So that's what we're doing right now. Okay, listen, this is our favorite bubble wrap. This comes from Uline, okay? It is amazing. Let me see what the box is. Look at this. This is the box. Y'all need to get this. This is amazing. So when you roll your products in it, it just seals. Like you don't have to put tape on there. Like it just seals. So make sure y'all invest in this. And also, if you have a Uline account, you can just go ahead and use your business account number to pay for everything, and you won't have to pay for it when you purchase it. Right now, I'm just getting some product shots. I think I need to clean off the side of this, but this is my repair treat. This is one of my top sellers. It's a 2-in-1 deep treatment for moisture and strength. So I'm just gonna use my camera, and I have some natural light in here, so I'm just gonna go ahead and take some pictures and some photos. This is the last product. We have other products, but we didn't show that on film. As you can see, we have the conditioner in the back too. But I cannot wait until we are to the point where we can just get machines to pump this for us, because my arm gets very tired and I'm pumping 100+ bottles a day. So y'all can only imagine how our bodies feel the day before we restock. Okay, so it is 7:19 p.m. Thursday, and I just sent out a text to all of my Healthy Hair Rebels talking about our restock, and we have 43 visitors on the site right now, and 14 active carts, 7 people checking out. So all I basically did was send a text message and an email letting them know that they get to shop early. This is a great benefit for a lot of my customers, because my stuff sells out so fast that they want to make sure that they getting their goodies. Now, even just look at this, look at what's going on. Look at where they're purchasing from. This is amazing. Look, all over the place. California, Texas. I get a lot of people in Texas. New York. Oh no, that ain't New York, child. I'm tired. Florida, whatever these states are, don't even mind that. Georgia, of course, Georgia, and just really all over. So I'm really excited to see what you guys are purchasing, because I'm ready to ship it out to you. It's gonna be so nice, so fun, so exciting. I love restock days. Okay, right now, okay, so it's only been, what did I say? It was 7:19. Hadn't even been 10 minutes. These are the sales that we made so far with the restock. 15 people checking out right now. So yeah, get on these products. I'm so excited. And so I know I'm looking a mess. So with everything that happened with my pre-orders with the post office, because it was crazy. So now we have a better handle on the shipping times. So we'll be shipping through UPS. So whenever you're doing business stuff, guys, make sure that you make the shipping very detailed on the site with the banner, and at the bottom of your site, and in your policy, everything. So I'm going to get all of these orders prepared, and then I'll probably ship them off Monday morning. So I don't do any shipping during the weekend. I'm gonna start, trying to be more precise on when I do ship, because I've just been doing a whole lot of stuff. So on Mondays and Fridays, I will be shipping. So that's, what we're going to start doing with UPS to make sure that everyone gets their stuff on time and fast. So normally right now I'm saying 5 to 7 business days to ship and receive their orders, but it will probably be faster than that. But of course you want to make sure that you give the customers, like you let them know the time frame, because you never know what could happen. I'm so tired, y'all. That's why I'm slurring my words. But you never know what could happen, because things could be out of your control. But of course, customers don't want to hear that. But you still have to protect yourself on both ends. So that's what we're doing today. Enjoying the restock. All right, go ahead. Got these UPS store. Okay, so I am just putting labels on the jars. I have to put labels on the deep cleansing hair bath. Look at the color, y'all. Just look at this color. If you're trying to detox your hair and get rid of all that buildup without stripping your hair and giving that ultimate shine, that ultimate radiant shine, you need this. Shut up, Evan. Radiant shine. But y'all know what I mean. Like, it's just great products, and I'm so glad that I developed them. So we're putting labels on these. I put labels on the moisture cream, and really all of this is about to get shipped off. We have like 78 more orders to ship off. So basically, my husband just was finishing up helping me fill up bottles. He moves a little slower than me, but I'm so thankful for him nonetheless. But yeah, so we basically had about like 103 orders, and we were just preparing to get all of them shipped out. One of my last tips that I want to say is make sure that you call in for UPS to come pick everything up, because it makes life a lot easier. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know if you want more videos like this. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow us on Instagram. Peace.